So Nintendo Labo, what is it actually? Well, that's actually an interesting question. When I first heard of it, I thought it was just another excuse for company to sell you cardboard, the brand. But after looking into it a tiny bit, I found out it's more than just cardboard. So let's head over to Nintendo's site to see exactly what the Nintendo Labo is. According to Nintendo, Nintendo Labo combines the magic of the Nintendo Switch with the fun of DIY creations. Build a 13-key piano, a fishing pole, even a motorbike, add a Nintendo Switch console to power it up, and you can do some pretty interesting stuff. So as for how the Nintendo Labo actually works, players follow a set of instructions on the Switch tablet screen to create the Nintendo Labo accessories, which then are attached to the Nintendo Switch console and Joy controllers. From there, they can use accessories to play software designed to work with what Nintendo calls Toy-Con creations. The Toy-Con, according to Nintendo, are different projects that players can make with the Labo line. The Toy-Con projects are predetermined and included in different kits. Now, the Toy-Cons work in a pretty interesting way. In terms of the piano Toy-Con showed in the promo video, you can assemble a fully functional 13-key piano that uses the Nintendo Switch console and its right Joy-Con controller. As you play the IR motion camera in the right Joy-Con, detects which keys are pressed. It will play each note through the console's built-in speakers. It seems pretty straightforward, and it does seem like a fun thing to pass the time with. The Labo has two different versions, the Variety Kit and the Robo Kit. The Variety Kit will cost $69.99 at launch, and the Robo Kit will cost $79.99 at launch. And yeah, that's just about it for today's video. I just wanted to cover this, but I found it a bit interesting. It looks like Nintendo is planning to release some very interesting items this year. If you enjoyed the video, consider subscribing for more, leaving a like, and commenting your thoughts down below. Check out my previous videos using the links provided in the description below, as well as the official page for the Nintendo Labo. Thanks for watching, and I will be seeing you in the next video.